It's a little more flavor, but definitely good.
Now you're finna do the cornbread.
That's good. Go to Janai. Well, take a pee before she piss herself, girl.
Tastes like him.
No, like girl. Feel like a little more glazed.
This one.
With red peas.
Yeah.
Good flavor. I don't know if it's the sauce, but it's a good flavor.
Ready? Yeah.
It's just a little salty, but yeah.
Yeah.